this video, we leave Dirk Island and are reunited with our van. We head to Monkey Mia to base ourselves and spend the next 4 days exploring the Shark Bay region. We've come out today for our first day of exploring in the Shark Bay region. Yesterday was our first day, full day here, but we just needed the day to wash everything, clean everything after coming off the island. So we just chilled around Monkey Mia for the day, visited the bar again, and today we're out exploring. So we're going to explore sort of the southern end, all the stuff we drove past on the way up to Monkey Mia. So Eagle Bluff, Shell Beach, Whalebone, all those sorts of places. So really looking forward to some nice easy exploring today, and then we'll tackle the tougher stuff in the coming days.
So it's a bit windy out here, but this is the Elephant Rock, the Shark Bay, and all the way in the distance there is Dirk Hartog.
Been there.
We certainly have. So yeah, pretty.
Not hanging there like that.
Nah, not a lot left. Yeah, real cool.
So we've arrived at Eagle Bluff now. We're just going to take this boardwalk, see how many sharks and stingrays and turtles we can see. We've seen heaps so far.
Yeah, we're just having a look. So this is still mainland Australia out there, actually not Dirk Hartog.
Give up on this hat. I won't film it because there's zero chance of you seeing it, but right now from this lookout there's 3 baby sharks just down there, there's 2 small sharks in the centre and a ray up the back, and there was a turtle just over here to the left, and I think there's something out there too. Yeah. It's so shallow and clear, and people are so far removed from it. There's just so much life in that ocean. It's so interesting to watch. I'm pretty sure I said today was about some nice easy exploring. I'll show you what's happened. We're a bog! We are so close to the end too. We're like a metre off. Bit of articulation going on this back wheel. Now I'm going to have to go find this Max Tracks. So we've just arrived at Shell Beach. Still pretty blowy over here, but yeah, we're going to jump out and take a look at this Shell Beach.
Yeah, beach full of shells.
Pretty much. Shoes. I've heard shoes, Mr. Brennigan.
Yeah.
Because they're sharp.
Yeah.
Alright.
Heading back into Denham, and they've got a Denham lookout, which sort of just up here a little bit. If you keep going down, they have what they call the thong shack, where people leave their leave behind thong with some names and whatnot on there. Leave your mark here.
So this morning we've come out to explore Francois Peron National Park. We're just at the entrance now, getting a map.
Yeah.
Looks like a bit of fun. A couple of places that we want to explore. Heard a lot of good things about this park, so looking forward to letting the air out of the tires. Very sandy apparently, and going for an explore.
Yeah, looking forward to it. So definitely end goals to get up here, and then finish down here, and then make our way back to Monkey Mire.
We'll see what we get up to.
Yeah.
Finished dropping the tyres down. We're down to 16 in the front, 19 in the rear. We have been told it's pretty soft, so we just decided to go straight for it.
Yeah.
And we've just started. There's a few people on the track this morning. There was 3 people and 2 of us staring down, so plenty of people on the track if something goes wrong. But we should be all good.
Happy days.
We were obviously a little bit optimistic with running 20 in the rear, so we're just dropping down now. We'll probably go to 15, I reckon. And we're away again. She's soft, but
very soft. And whoopee.
Whoopee. Pulled up at our first stop for the day. This is Bottle Bay, so we're just gonna go for a walk, check the beach out. I think Andrew's just checking over the car, and we'll see what there is to do here. Might do a bit of fishing. Just gonna push on to Cape Peron, get a little bit more shelter from this wind. Made it to where are we? Cape Peron.
Cool.
Very tip of the peninsula. No issues on the road getting here, it had firmed up. We're just going to go check out the beach.
Yeah. Maybe a fish or something?
Maybe.
I've got skipjack points around the corner, which I've been told is not too bad. I've protected there as well. So, but yeah, no, keen to have a look at this little spot anyway. This one is supposed to be really good for looking down into the water and seeing various wildlife, sharks, snails, turtles, etc. It's supposed to be a bit like Eagle Bluff, so really looking forward to that because I really enjoyed that the other day. Let's go! Oh, stunning water! Reminds me of Gantham Point and Broome a little bit. Oh. That one's moving, I think.
It's a big stingray there, and right beside it is a big school of fish. I have no idea if you can see that or not.
See if this wave might spook them a bit.
No. Hopefully you can see that water, because holy crap, it's so pretty. We've just arrived at Herald Bight. We're going to stop here for some lunch. May or may not be some fishing, not sure, but it's so pretty. That's Andrew. And that's a shark. It's only a baby though. Was impressive. She was soft. Just made it back to the start. It's not quite firm, it's still a little bit sandy, and we've just come across these two girls trying to drive in. They've come into a bit of trouble. I'm not sure, they've let their tyres down or they're in four-wheel drive and they're not confident, so Andrew's going to help them out, it seems. Have they got themselves going?
They've got them going, but yeah, they're definitely in don't have in forward drive engaged by the look of that rear sliding around everywhere.
Did you tell them to pop it in forward drive?
Oh no, they've crabbed up and kept moving.
Oh,
as I got out.
Oh, okay.
They probably saw me get out of the car and went, let's get out of here.
Well, good luck to them.
Yeah. Well, this is our final morning at Monkey Mire. It's been a good, 4 nights, huh?
4 nights.
Did a bit of exploring around the local area. Got bogged a couple of times. Caught a couple of fish. Yeah, it's been a good 4 days, especially after the Dirk Hartog. So
yeah, just to reset.
That was a big few days, so yeah, definitely made full use of the amenities, bars, etc. But yeah, you had the dolphins over there before, which is pretty pretty cool. One of the funniest things I saw yesterday actually was like a greyhound cross dog chasing an emu through the caravan park.
And his owner running after him.
The owner chasing after him with the lead behind him, like the dog had the lead. And no animals were injured, which was good to see, but because they're supposed to be on the lead at all times in the park, and you've just got the emu sort of just walking around freely. But yeah, it was bloody funny seeing an emu in full bloody evacuation mode, running around like he was playing touch footy, weaving in and out of everything, trying not to get tagged. So yeah, anyway, back to pack up now and hit the road to Kalbarri. Shark Bay, that was unreal. It was very good. So just we've pulled up at the big map just to show you sort of where we covered and the ground in this area, because it's quite cool. So we went in, this is where we had a night, dropped the van off, Hamlin Hill Station, Hamlin Caravan Park, number 1. And then we made the big trek all the way out through Useless Loop, out to Steep Point, most western point of mainland Australia. Then we camped actually right here for the night, caught the barge, and we did what for me anyway, was the highlight of the 2 weeks, and went up and explored Dirk-Hartog Island all the way up to Cape Inscription, all the way around to Mystery Beach, and then we did a lot of our camping along the eastern side of the island and fishing. It was beautiful. So spent our last night at the lodge or the homestead, and then caught the barge back, and then made that long track all the way back down, all the way through into here, and then all the way back up to Monkey Mia, where we spent 4 nights, and then we've explored the region, Denham, Little Lagoon, went all the way down into, where are we? Where's Shell Beach?
There.
There's somewhere in here, yeah, Shell Beach. And then yesterday we went all the way up to Cape Peron, Skipjack Point, and explored all that. So yeah, awesome actually. So it's good to see it on a map, how much ground we covered, what we saw. So yeah, now on to Kalbarri. Yeah, awesome. Good trip.
Join us in the next video where we head to Kalbarri and explore the national park and the surrounding beaches.